OBS Studio is the best software for screen recording, streaming, and content creation. This video breaks down the entire process for visiting the official download page to the critical first launch setup, ensuring you get the best performance right away. Let's get started. Go to the browser on your Windows 11 computer. In Google search, type OBS Studio Download. Now hit enter. The first site, Download OBS Studio, is the official site. Click on the link. This is the OBS Studio official download page. Here you will find Download OBS Studio. Select your operating system. As I have Windows 11, click on Windows icon here and scroll down. Then click on Download Installer. And download is started. Download is finished. Click on the download icon on upper right corner and click on Show in Folder. Right click on OBS Studio download file and click on Run as Administrator. If it launch Microsoft Store, it will prompt you the app you are trying to install is not Microsoft verified app. So click on Install anyway. Now click on Yes and Installation Wizard is opened. Click on Next. Click on Next. And click on Install. Installation is started. Installation is completed. Now click on Finish. Setup completed. Now click on Finish. You will get desktop shortcut icon on your Windows 11 for OBS Studio. A pop-up window will be open. It will prompt you to provide usage information, which purpose you want to use OBS Studio for recording or streaming, and recording but not streaming, or I will just use the virtual camera, and I am selecting just for recording and I will not be streaming. Select second option and click on Next. Here you can change the base canvas resolution as you wish, and you can change also FPS and click on Next. Resolution is optimizing and click on Apply Changes. If you wish, you can change settings of your OBS Studio software. Click on Settings on lower right corner, and from here you can change many options and you can customize as you wish. You'll find here lot of options to customize your OBS Studio. This is the easiest way to download and install OBS Studio on Windows 11 computers.